Now a potential breakthrough when it comes to protecting your family from a hurricane. NOAA now planning to use drones to better measure just how strong a storm is and why they're doing this. Our Serena Fazan joins us now in the studio with more on this technology. Serena.
And Brendan, this is a huge test. Testing begins this August, and it will start with the first storm that develops in the Atlantic. Here's the bottom line. Weather experts say they're getting better at predicting a storm's path, but not the intensity. And if they can determine that, they can save lives.
The more information we get about a hurricane, the better, because it improves our forecast models.
Daniel Noah with the National Weather Service in Ruskin says gathering the best information to save lives could come from this, a drone dubbed Coyote. Money from Hurricane Sandy's relief law makes it possible to start testing the device this summer.
These vehicles, we can get up close and personal with the storm and get higher detailed data.
Here is how it works. The drones are launched from a Hurricane Hunter aircraft, then flown by satellite by operators anywhere in the country. Researchers hope to steer the Coyote into the heart of the storm to gather data and transmit it back to the Hurricane Center. Analysts can then run specialized forecast simulations. The biggest goal? Determining the intensity of the storm. Right now, Hunter aircraft can only get so close. Pilots can't descend below 1,500 feet. The drone will fill a data void, giving scientists a better understanding of how the warm water transfers energy to tropical storms.
If we can't sample this region very well, very accurately, all the time, we have the potential to miss how much energy is coming out of the ocean by a third or a half.
It's that energy that could help determine the storm's strength. Using the information could help emergency managers better plan for evacuations or even better prepare for huge storm surges. The testing will start over St. Croix. Researchers say the drone is only one of the new hurricane research technologies being financed by cash from the Sandy relief law. Brendan, back to you.